Hei hi Akashvani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar a chiar tu si len sang puya naktip zingdar seriatanga village council le local council in than vote thak tan ani don wangin voin tlai lam dar li atangin vote zon khap ani ang nilai ni hian chief executive member pusiral mon thanga kai shoi LADC a congress de MNF sarkar in trom chu fia ani don Manipur chief minister N Biren Singh chunimin khan pang Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan voin chawhmadar som pakhat atangin zirlai no pangtene na inkom na hun Pariksha Pe Charcha program amang don naktip zingdar sari atanga village council VC le local council LC in than vote hak tan ani don awangin voin tlai lam darli atangin vote zon khap ani don State Election Commission atanga thudon danin SECMO District Election Officer DO10 emo phalna an pe ni lo chuan mi tu main in than kai noi thil television a emo print media social media emo mi pui mu thei turin an pho chuak tur ani lova he thu pek zom lo te chu kumni thleng lungin tan tiramo lei choi tiramo apania shem thei ani voin tlai darli ma in political party sang te chuan vote zonga be pui thak an kharang Mizoram District Pakua Autonomous District Council omnatiam lovin VC zanga samli pali omin bial sang ni zali sompuro ko oma bial sang khazeret pathum te hi tu poinan chu thei ani line bial zaruk somle pathum me se tan hau bi kani a bial sang ni zali sompuruk chu turaming pelut sangruk zare somne pako omin kande sanga za som sari pariat te chuan tu poinan chu thei bial an chu up me se tan hau bi bial chu tu hi mi sang khazaruk somnga phatan omani Aizawl Municipal Corporation huam chung hen LC somriat pasari omim member zanga somseri panga oma bial zali sompore du chu thei ni in bial za somnga pasir chu hmesetana haubi kani a MC huam chunga LC in khan chu tu hi general sita sangka chini som pakhate hmesetana haubi chu tu zali somli paretan omani lunglei Municipal Council huam chung LC somni palia hian bial za somli paret omin mitin chu thei bial za som le mesetan haubi bial somthum pareta oma mitin chu thei biala candidate zathum pako omin mese bial big chu tu za pareta nam boka LMC no LC te hi anin than phasakna bertur ani tun tha ni som pakua atanga tan tur assembly in khomatan tun thlengin sarkar atangin dan siam tura don bil pahnia lut to a assembly secretary atanga thudun danin dan siam tura duan hi labor employment skill development and entrepreneurship LSD le Urban Development Poverty Alleviation UDNPA atangin pakhat ve lu to a zone hi house chunga chanchi start questions athum som pasari le zega chanchi an start questions som thum panga alu to bok sarkar hian dan siam tura don inzange pudu tur an ti hria the alani lo chungin lut bel tura be se zinga Mizoram State University bill atel ni in Akashvani Aizawl chon thu donga house do kana da tur le khapoi ma panga lu to in resolution tur pakhat alu to bok ani Tuntrum Assembly in Khoma hian Prime Minister Louis Dr. Manmohan Singh Suna Hun Man ani ang Lai Autonomous District Council LADC at ZPM in Sarkar ding lai ale thal thei don alana wangin tun kar ni lai ni hian Chief Executive Member Pusila Munthanga kai shoi Congress the MNF Sarkar in Trom zu thop tu anga to kemti fi ani don Larsab General Vijay Kumar Singh Remti na in District Council and Minority Affairs Department Secretary Pisang Chanchinthar chuan LADC chairman Puvial Mokane na lekha thonim February ni som panhi ni lai ni khian sarkar ding lai buk tura LADC in khom man mo ko turin nangen Pisang Chanchinthar chuan sarkar ding lai buk ani ma chuan sarkar thok lak le son lo turin LADC sarkar chu shetir boka longkai tanga thadon danin amalam khan MNF MDC som panhi le Congress MDC ni chun Pusiral Monthanga chuan CM ata naruat Pusiral Monthanga kai shuai MDC somni panga omna LADC hian nikum mei ni sompri khan sarkar an siama nikum vek mei ni sompasari khan council in khoma finfiana paltanga ZPM chuan MDC som nein tun nai khan BJP MDC omchun puti zakunga chuan ZPM hi azoma anuloka MNF MDC pani CM Louis Puvizir sangale pulalom sanga petotem ZPM an khoble tak bokawangin ZPM an khop tu MDC som pathum ne in chalin sarkar na siam an tumta ani hemi hmalam hian LADC hian re tak sarkar na umumal thailova omawangin thakhat le chan ve ze chular sap omna hnuaya longka district borsapin larsap ain sarkar na kenga chumin hnuai MNF ve Congress in sarkarin tawm an siam theina a kum khat potlin main pai thlak theidin huna ading neta ani December ni li sahni somni LED sin thana khan MNF chon sit om zong somni panga a somni la in ne takin sarkaran siama puvizir sang chu CM tan thanani ma se puvizir sang hi nikum january somni pani khan Aizawl Special Court Prevention of Corruption zom eruk thu boya thiamlo chantirin kumli zel tang tu le cheng nui choi tur na shema hemi tang LDC politics hi achiri chhota ani Mizoram mishing thi san tamber chu cancer ala nerenga kumruk chungin cancer wangin mi sangrok zasiri somni panga anthi Health and Family Welfare Noya National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Diseases and Stroke NPCDCS how to ten soidanin kumsani sompari tanga kumsani somni pathum thleng khan Mizoram cancer wangin mi sangrok zasiri somni panga anthi a Mizoram cancer na tamchan hi nun phung thalo abikin vai hlo le akai noi khoi an tam wang ni nan soi kumsani sompret khan kan sarwangin mi zakwa somko pangan thia sani sompakwa sangkha somret pakhatan thile a sani somnia mi sangkhat le zan thia sani somni pakata hian sangkha za somthum pore thi in sangni somni pania sangkha za somthum pakhatan thile a sani somni pathuma khan mi sangkha zathum vel an thi boka nikuma thiza thi hria chen thei alaneri lo ani kumsani sompre le sani somni thumi kar chungin Mizoram State Cancer Institute MSCI kan survey Singka sangka zanga samrupakwa ani ziaglu toni in MSCI Director Dr. Jerry L. Pautu chona soya sadi samne pathum kha heme kuma kan survey in ziaglu tamber kumni in mi sangni leza ani ziaglu ani Dr. Jerry chuan kumtin in kan sara wanga thi hi anpung rengchungin inen kolna thale changkang man ani chhojela wangin kan survey te hi tun mangai to chuan andam re to len in soya kum khata kan sarwanga thi an tamrol hian tamtak chukum re tak love to te ani thu soya kan survey mu chu ma poimo na soin enkol dam ol sambi kani ati a helama tanlang na sat angaya asia thu soi bok ani Chanchinthar hi Akashvani Aizawl tanga puan ani a AIR News Aizawl YouTube channel All India Radio News Aizawl Facebook page le news on air.gov.in te Chanchinthar hi ngai thak le cher thaya da ani voin chu dan hi le chan via Chanchinthar hi puan le ani ang Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Chunimin Khana Bang N. Biren Singh and Governor Ajay Kumar Balan Hena Banale Khat Heluta Kumsan Champasirek BJP Sarkar hi kai shuaya State Chung Politics in Lumla Nasaba ka Party Chunga Boina ne nuwa bana hi Heluta nia thudan ani N. Biren Singh hian party shuai to le Union Home Minister Amit Shah ne New Delhi anin mu nuwa min khan infal ale le a BJP Lok Sabha MP le BJP Northeast in charge Sambit Patra chuan atroy om ani kan correspondent report ilong thak chun zomang u
The internal party politics over the leadership of the state BJP government has been taking place for many days in the state. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh arrived in Imphal along with BJP Lok Sabha MP and BJP North East in charge Sambit Patra this afternoon from Delhi, where he also had a meeting with party leader and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Soon after the arrival at Imphal, Sri Biren chaired a meeting with the MLAs of ruling party at CM Secretariat Imphal. Afterwards, he met the governor of Manipur, Ajay Kumar Balla, at Rajbabul in Imphal. There, he submitted his resignation paper to the governor.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi chon voin chommadar chom bakhata changin zilai no pangten ne inkom na hun Pariksha Pe Charcha program mangdona he huna hian zilai no pangba ka nu le pa le ziti ru te po antel don ani exam in bot chaina rilu ha na le mimal mason zel turte asoi puidona he program hi Akashvani Doordarshan PMO YouTube channel le Union Education and Information and Broadcasting Ministry social media te ti chu ani ang kan correspondent report ilong thak chun zomang u
With over 5 crore participation, this year's program exemplifies its status as a Jan Andolan, inspiring collective celebration of learning. Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025 will feature 7 insightful episodes, bringing together renowned personalities from diverse fields to guide students on essential aspects of life and learning. Over the years, Pariksha Pe Charcha has evolved into an opportunity aimed at transforming exam-related stress into positive energy. By addressing real questions and offering actionable solutions, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has bridged the gap between policy and practice, empowering students to thrive under pressure. Priya Mondal, Akashvani News, Delhi.
Chanchinthar cherti tomna na tang pui naktip jingda Sri Changa Village Council local council in thanvot thak tan ani dona wangin voin tailam dar lia changin vot jon khapani ang nilani hian chief executive member pusil mon thanga kai shoi LDC Congress MNF sarkar in trom chu fi ani don Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Chunimin Khan Bang Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan voin chumhadar som khata tangin zilano pangten hena income na hun Pariksha Pe Charcha program mangdon chuti zong chu Chanchinthar kan pon thei chu ani